we're gonna show you all how we do our famous grilled chicken sandwich. All right, come on. So we start with a nice teriyaki grilled chicken. It's been marinating for like 6 hours. Get going. We'll take our buns. Do a special little garlic butter. Lay it up on the grill like that. A little weight on that chicken. Now the trick is not to let the juices come up out the chicken, which we don't have to worry about that because the way we marinate it and brine our chicken is full of juice, so we're pretty good on that. A couple more minutes, we'll be good to go. Alright, so now we'll grab our cheese. Swiss cheese. Now keep in mind, everything on our menu we cook in 5 minutes. So if you order online, all you have to do is know our location, which we'll post where we're at. And pretty much by the time you finish your ordering and come on to get it, we'll be ready for you by the time you get there. Now we got an exhaust system in here. I just turned it off so you'll be able to hear me talk. Put that piece of Swiss on it. With that mayonnaise. I don't know what piece of lettuce. Tomatoes. Pickles. And that right there, that's our grilled chicken sandwich. Come on down with them plates.